Well, all right, folks. So we have started the day and getting everything that needs to get fixed, and we have success here on the window. Wipers are working again, so we got that fixed. And I have a few more things. What else? Wipers are fixed. Oh yeah, the light over here. I have looked at what do you call them, junkyards here, and cannot find another light fixture for the front of this. We can't find them anywhere. I have buddies who are mechanics and everything, and they're looking and they can't find them. So anyways, I'm just going to get the Dremel, cut some more plastic off, and try and fit that in there so it looks a little better. And that will be done. Oh, and the third thing is hopefully I'm waiting for Dougie. Dougie was down here earlier. I don't think he's working today. Hopefully he comes back down and he will have the hole saw. If not, I have another friend with a hole saw coming by. So anyways, hopefully that gets done today as well. But most of the stuff's getting done. So let me keep working and get back to you later. All right, folks. All right, folks. So now we got this done. I'm going to have to get this waterproofed, but we got her in there. All the wires are in, so I no longer have to put them through my freaking window, which is cool. It's working very well. Now I got to go in there and get that hooked up, get everything done, and bada bing, the solar's finally completely done. So anyways, I got to get some stuff to put here. I don't like the bare metal, and I got to waterproof it, obviously. I still have some latex and everything, so anyways, just catch you later, folks. Yep, all right, folks, so we got this all sealed up. I'm thinking that's looking pretty good. I don't think anything's going to get in there, but I guess time will tell. I know at some point I do want to get the different latex stuff like I've been saying. Also to put around the screws here and everything, a little bit better stuff. But anyways, she's finally totally all done. Later, folks. Well, all right, folks, I'm going to come over here to do some filming. They got some Darius Rucker playing over here, so hopefully don't get a copyright strike there. But anyways, we got everybody over there cooking up. We got some good dogs, burgers, chips, dip, everything over here. Mickey's here too, but he took off for a ride somewhere. And where I'm standing, if you guys go back when we hung out here and did some, we've done some fires here. During this time of the year, they take the grills out, so we're not having a fire. But we've had fires here at night. We've put that on video and everything. And this area I'm in right now was a big old gazebo. As you can see, no more gazebo. I guess during this year's winter storms and everything, the snow and everything got a bit too heavy. The roof was a bit old. I'm sure you can see over there. Whoop, over there. Hopefully you can see. But anyways, there's a lot of moss and stuff over there. These trees, I think they've cut quite a few down, but these trees kept the sunlight from coming out too much. You know what I'm saying? So when it rained, when it snowed, whatever, it did not dry quickly. There was a lot of moss, a lot of this and that. So I think the roof and everything got a bit old and finally fell. So anyways, I'm sure they're going to repair this because this is a big money maker. Usually, if somebody's here already, that means they've reserved it and you got to go. You can't stay here. So this is pretty much a big money maker. They got another one down there like it on the other side. And we go there sometimes too. But we kind of like this one because as you can see, let me see if I can find her. Vanitarium is way back over there. So there's a parking lot and you got to walk way out into the woods here. And it's a lot, it's woodsy. You're not out in the woods, it's a park. But it's a lot more private, a lot more awesome on this part. But anyways, I'm psyched. I got the solar completely done. I got the drill and everything, made the holes, got everything through. It should be waterproofed. I might throw a little bit more up tonight before I crash out. I don't know, a little more sealant, latex stuff, I don't know. Because we're going to have rain tomorrow. But I'm thinking it's pretty good. I'm thinking it's going to be all right. And I'm just happy to be done with that. And it is working freaking awesome. I love it. It's great. Also, got the wipers going, as you guys have seen in the beginning of this. So wipers are done. All I got to do now is work on that front light, make that look a little bit better. It's a pain that I can't get the proper light to go there. Hopefully one day I get lucky and find one, but we'll see. But anyways, So we're gonna get back over here and enjoy the day. And until next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.